Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fantastic way to create interactive documents, whether you're building a presentation, a portfolio, or an engaging report that includes multimedia content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature isn't available in the standard free version. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start working with your PDF file. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section shows all the PDFs you've worked with recently, making it easy to find the document you want to edit. Select the file where you want to insert the video. If your file isn't in the recent list, you can always click on Open and browse for it on your computer. Once your PDF is open, look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This will give you access to the full range of editing and multimedia features that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers. It's the central hub for everything you can do with your PDF. In the left sidebar that appears, click on View More. This expands additional options that aren't immediately visible from these expanded options. Click on Add Rich Media. This is the specific tool designed for embedding videos, audio, and other interactive elements into your PDF. In the left panel, you'll see different media options. Click on Video. This tells Adobe that you want to insert a video file rather than audio or another type of media. Now comes the interactive part. Draw a square on your PDF where you want the video to appear. This rectangle defines the size and position of your video player within the document, so choose a spot that makes sense visually. After you draw the square, an Insert Video window will pop up. Click on Browse to locate the video file on your computer. Navigate through your folders and select the video you want to add. Then click Open. This imports the video into the PDF. Once the file is selected, click OK to confirm and embed the video into your document. Now navigate to the area where you added the video in your PDF and click to activate it. This step is necessary because Adobe needs your permission to play embedded media for security reasons. A confirmation message will pop up in the top toolbar in the right panel of this confirmation dialog. Click Options. Here you'll be presented with security choices. Select your preferred option, such as Trust this document one time only or Trust this document always. If you plan to use this PDF regularly, choosing to trust it always will save you time in the future. Finally, click the play button to test your video. Make sure it plays smoothly and appears in the correct location within your PDF. If everything looks good, you've successfully added an interactive video to your document. And there you have it. Your PDF now includes embedded video content that viewers can play directly within the document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.